In today's business landscape, security breaches and lost keys pose significant challenges for companies. According to a recent report, 42% of companies have experienced breaches due to leaked passwords. GRGBanking's innovative smart lock solution revolutionizes lock operations, eliminating the need for keys and addressing common pain points. With G-locks, choose from options like ELM8000 Digital, ELM8000A Finger Vein, and ELM8000B Fingerprint locks. Using SMS OTP, web service, or biometrics, our G-locks offer secure and flexible operations. Seamlessly integrate our smart G-lock solution in vault procedures, CIT operations, personal belongings safes, and intellectual and educational safeguarding. Take control with our intelligent G-lock management system. Manage authorized users, login information, lock authorization, and tasks remotely from our centralized platform. Experience security and convenience with the Smart Lock Solution G-Lock from GRGBanking. GRGBanking, empowering secure operations for businesses worldwide.